In 2026, over 80% of entry-level remote job listings on the internet are total scams designed to steal your personal data, waste your time, or sell you useless training programs. Most people search for months, apply to hundreds of fake listings, and eventually give up thinking working from home is an impossible dream, reserved only for senior software engineers or people with insider connections. Today, we are changing that completely. I am revealing 8 fully legitimate entry-level remote jobs hiring globally right now. No college degree required, no years of prior experience, and no advanced technical skills. Pay close attention to number 4. Because a massive shift in artificial intelligence has created a brand new remote job paying up to $30 an hour that did not even exist a few years ago. Number 8. AI training and data annotation. Instead of starting with outdated roles, let us jump straight into the fastest growing field in remote work. Artificial intelligence companies need human intelligence to evaluate, label, and refine their complex software models. Large language models and computer vision systems do not simply train themselves. They require real human feedback to understand context, nuance, tone, and factual accuracy. As an AI trainer or data annotator, your day-to-day responsibilities involve reading AI-generated responses, correcting factual errors, labeling image data for object recognition, or ranking which written answer sounds more natural and helpful to a human user. Platforms like Data Annotation, .tech, Outlier, and Align hire globally for these positions, with entry-level pay ranging between $15 and $25 an hour. You do not need a computer science degree or programming knowledge, but you do need critical thinking, strong written communication skills, and sharp attention to detail. When applying, you will usually be asked to complete an initial screening test that evaluates your ability to follow complex guidelines and spot logical inconsistencies. The biggest trap to avoid here is assuming every project lasts forever. AI projects can start and end quickly based on client demand, so use this role as a reliable stepping stone to gain immediate remote experience while building longer-term digital skills. Number 7. Content Moderator. Tech platforms, gaming networks, online forums, streaming services, and digital marketplaces process billions of user uploads every single day. Content moderators review text, images, audio, and videos to ensure they strictly follow community safety rules, terms of service, and legal guidelines. Companies like Mod Squad, TaskUs, and CloudWorkers hire remote moderators around the world, paying between $14 and $22 an hour depending on your location and the complexity of the platform. This job is excellent for beginners because companies provide full-paid training on their specific platform policies before you start taking live tickets. Your daily routine will involve operating inside a dashboard, reviewing flagged posts, and deciding whether to approve, delete, or escalate content based on a clear rulebook. However, you must be mentally prepared for what the job actually entails. Moderating user-generated content means you might occasionally encounter disturbing, explicit, or policy-violating material, so read the job description parameters carefully and evaluate your own comfort level before submitting your application. If you have good emotional resilience, attention to detail, and sound judgment, this role provides excellent experience for moving into broader trust and safety or online community management careers. Number 6. Appointment setter. If you have solid communication skills and feel comfortable talking to people, appointment setting is one of the quickest ways to build a high-income remote career. Appointment setters act as the initial point of contact between prospective business clients and high-level sales teams. Your core mission is to reach out to potential customers via social media direct messaging, professional platforms like LinkedIn, email, or outbound phone calls to identify interest and book discovery calls for a company's main account executives. Businesses pay between $15 and $25 an hour, often adding lucrative performance bonuses or commissions for every qualified meeting booked that converts into a client. You do not need formal corporate sales experience, but you do need persistence, high energy, active listening, and thick skin, as handling daily rejection is a natural part of the job. You might speak to 20 people before finding one person who is open to a conversation. Always carefully verify the compensation structure before accepting an offer. Legitimate companies offer a guaranteed hourly base wage alongside their performance incentives, whereas scam listings force you into 100% commission structures with zero financial safety net or employee protections. Number 5. Remote Customer Service Representative. Customer service remains the most accessible remote job on the market because global brands need around-the-clock support for their audience across multiple time zones. Roles range from handling live chat widgets and answering email support tickets to managing inbound phone calls for e-commerce brands, software platforms, online banks, and logistics networks. Entry-level pay generally ranges from $14 to $20 an hour, with platforms like LiveOps, Working Solutions, and Shopify frequently hiring worldwide. Your primary focus is resolving customer inquiries, processing returns, tracking order shipments, and troubleshooting basic technical issues using customer relationship management software like Zendesk or Salesforce. If you speak a second language like Spanish, French, German, or Japanese, your earning potential and hiring chances increase significantly because bilingual support agents are in high demand globally. The key warning here is technical and environmental requirements. Unlike other flexible remote jobs where you can work from a coffee shop, customer service roles often require a completely quiet dedicated home office space, a hardwired high-speed Ethernet connection, and a noise-canceling USB headset. Make sure your home setup meets these requirements before submitting your application. Number 4. Virtual Assistant. Becoming a virtual assistant is one of the most versatile and customizable remote paths available today because every growing business reaches a point where administrative tasks become overwhelming. Virtual assistants help busy executives, content creators, real estate agents, e-commerce store owners, and small business founders handle daily operational tasks like calendar scheduling, inbox management, travel arrangements, basic market research, customer follow-ups, and invoice organization. Entry-level rates hover around $15 to $25 an hour, but experienced virtual assistants who specialize can eventually charge upwards of $40 an hour. Instead of competing with millions of general applicants on crowded job boards, the secret to getting hired quickly as a virtual assistant is creating a basic sample portfolio that proves your technical competence. Master standard modern workplace tools like Google Workspace, Notion, Slack, Asana, and Trello. Then, create a simple 2-page PDF showcasing your organizational workflows, sample travel itineraries, or organized spreadsheets, and apply on platforms like Belay, Time, etc., or Upwork. Showing visual proof of what you can organize immediately sets you apart from 99% of applicants who only send a basic, generic resume. Number 3. Transcriptionist and audio editor. Transcription involves listening to raw audio or video files from podcasts, corporate meetings, legal interviews, academic research, or medical recordings and converting them into accurate written text documents. While basic raw transcription has become faster due to automated AI speech-to-text tools, human precision is still heavily required for audio editing, quality control, proofreading automated transcripts, formatting, and interpreting complex domain-specific terminology or heavy regional accents. Entry-level transcriptionists earn between $12 and $20 an hour on entry platforms like Rev, TranscribeMe, and GoTranscript. To stand out from the crowd and secure higher-paying clients, do not just offer standard typing speed. Learn basic audio cleaning software like Audacity, master timecoding formats, and focus on specialized high-demand niches like legal transcription, medical records, or captioning live video streams where strict accuracy is critical and clients are willing to pay a premium. Number 2. Data Entry Specialist. Data entry remains one of the most heavily searched remote roles worldwide because of its minimal technical barrier to entry. Your primary tasks involve transferring physical documents into digital spreadsheets, updating customer databases, auditing records for formatting errors, clearing duplicate entries, and organizing company files inside modern database systems. Real data entry positions pay between $12 and $18 an hour and offer predictable, task-oriented work that you can often complete with minimal direct supervision. However, because this role is so popular among beginners, it is also the single most scam-heavy category on the entire internet. Scammers take advantage of job seekers looking for quick work from home. If a recruiter contacts you exclusively through messaging apps like Telegram, Signal, or WhatsApp, offers hundreds of dollars a day for typing simple text, conducts an interview strictly via written text chat, or asks you to deposit a check to buy your own home office equipment from a specific vendor link, it is a guaranteed scam. Legitimate employers like Robert Half, Force, or FlexJobs will conduct formal video or phone interviews, verify your identity securely, and will never ask you for money, processing fees, or equipment purchases to begin working for them. Number 1. Sales Development Representative. Sitting at the absolute top spot for long-term career growth and income potential is the Sales Development Representative role, commonly known as an SDR. An SDR focuses entirely on the front end of the sales pipeline. Your responsibilities involve researching target companies, identifying key decision makers, reaching out through professional channels like LinkedIn or cold email campaigns, qualifying high-value corporate prospects, and passing those qualified leads over to senior account executives to close the deal. While challenging and target-driven, this role commands entry-level base salaries ranging from $45,000 to $65,000 a year plus performance commissions, easily pushing total compensation past $70,000 in your first year. This makes it the single highest-paying entry-level remote job available that does not require a college degree. Tech platforms, corporate software firms, medical supply companies, and high-growth startups actively hire ambitious beginners who display high energy, clear professional writing, resilience, and adaptability. More importantly, mastering the SDR role sets you up for rapid career progression into account executive, business development manager, or sales management roles within just 2 to 3 years, where six-figure incomes are standard. You do not need to apply to all 8 of these opportunities today. In fact, applying to everything at once will dilute your focus and result in weak, generic applications that get rejected by automated applicant tracking systems. Instead, select the 2 roles from this list that best align with your natural personality, current communication style, and everyday strengths. Spend the next 2 weeks learning the basic software tools required for those specific roles. Polish your resume using the exact keywords found in real job postings. Create a clean LinkedIn profile, and apply only through verified company career pages or trusted job boards. If you found this comprehensive breakdown helpful, hit the subscribe button right now. Drop a comment below letting me know which of these 8 remote jobs you are going to pursue, and I will see you in the next video. This is Money Growth News. Stay informed, stay ahead.